So, probably you're wondering how I ended up in this situation. Well, picture this. I'm deep in the middle of nowhere, exploring an old abandoned mine with some friends. One of them decides to lend me their precious Sony A1. Yeah, you heard that right. The big boy, with a 50mm 1.2 lens. A lens so expensive, it's probably more expensive than my house. Now everything's going great. I feel like a professional, ready to capture the next cinematic masterpiece, until I spot a step. A seemingly innocent step. What I didn't know was that it was covered in mold. Mold that was apparently slippier than a banana peel. One moment, I'm jumping like an action hero. The next, boom! Gravity 1, me 0. The lens? Yeah, he's not coming back from that. But hey, here's the good news. I caught it all on camera, so you don't have to. It only cost my dignity and someone else's lens. Enjoy.
Bro, that looks amazing.
Yeah, you don't expect to see something like this in Cyprus.
No, never.
I didn't go down last time.
Is there a way to go down though?
I don't think there's anything interesting.
Guess we'll see. When there's water here. Yeah.
But you are not climbing that. It's too dangerous, I think.
I mean, we'll see. A little bit of adrenaline doesn't kill anyone.
Whoa. I mean, it's like saying, you know, speed doesn't kill. Suddenly coming to a stop kills you.
Exactly. Well, that looks like some GTA type shit.
Oh yeah. That's where we saw the bat.
Oh, really?
Yep. If you remember the video?
Yeah. Ah, where he went down.
Yeah, there's a fucking bat coming out.
I'm guessing when it's raining here, or like there's water, proper water,
yeah,
it's becoming also red.
Yep, it is.
Bro, it's so fucking sharp. Wow.
I'm surprised by how sharp the 1.2 is. The background blur is beautiful. And now you're gonna go back to the Canon.
Bro, my Canon shoots a shot every 3.7 seconds. So I need to wait. Tuck, 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 tuck.
Oh. You okay?
I'm okay.
You okay?
Yep.
Opa. That's not good.
That was bad. Fuck.
Look. By the way, shift autofocus to see if the lens, you know, got other damage. I think it should be fine. By the look of it, just the
Yeah, it's a plastic. It's fine.
yeah, that's it.
How did you pass though?
Huh?
How did you pass? You also jumped?
No, I walked there. Like
Bruh.
this. I will take it back to China because in China I think I can get it cheaper. You are okay, that's the most important thing.
But your camera is not, bro.
No,
this is more important.
You broke your forehead, and we have to go back to Lanaka or find a hospital. So money is replaceable, but not your forehead. Yep, on the. Yep. Here, yep. Okay, we got it.
You know what's funny though? Yeah. I catched my fall on the camera. On video.
Now you can make that into a story. How to lose 1,000 euro real quick. Okay. Should I really go to the end of it?
No.
Yeah, I think it's a bad idea because it's wood here.
Yeah.
If it's steel, I think it's okay. I wonder what is this used for? Like a cart?
I think it was a cart that was going in the mines, and then here it was like a small elevator that was getting all the stones, and there was some water.
Probably.
Yeah, was going up, and then there was like some water that was cleaning the stones and everything else. It was like a machine.
Ah.
And it was like a small elevator that was taking the stones and all the copper, and it was cleaning it out. how they do with gold.
Makes sense. Makes sense. I think it's still up. Be careful with this one.
You went up?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I have PTSD.
That will be cold.
Stay there, bro. Nice.
Here, and we drop all the way down, and we watch all the shit go all the way down. That's it.
And I'm gonna go down to take a video of it.
yeah. BDSM.
Bro, this bokeh is fucking insane.
Yeah, 1.2 is 1.2, bro. God, the audience. Uh-huh.
Bro, I cannot get how good this camera is.
And to think that it's 4 years old.
Yeah.
This camera was released 4 years ago. So I really want to see what they have next. You拍啥？哦。
Nice.
Looking for sound stars.
Nice.
I wonder how long this structure can last.
Decades. Probably some 100 years, something 200 years. Whoa.
BDSM.
Fuck yeah. The money shot.
Yeah, the money shot. You have the money shot.
Yeah, bro. I got the money shot.
yeah, true. That's the real money shot there. Yep.
Fuck.
It's
Shit happens.
Shit happened.
I'm broken more expensive stuff. Got it. Let's go down. And we explore under this structure. There's something apparently. I haven't seen yet.
Okay. I think it's the perfect weather also. It's nice for porches because the wind is so powerful.
Yeah. And it's actually clouds. Because when I saw Nicosia, I thought it's gonna be empty.
A shot I wanted to take before I fell
Yeah.
was here at the water. At the water stream.
Well, take it now.
Yeah.
It would be a shame if you crack the lens and don't get a shot. yeah.
Please.
But sometimes if you get a really a bomb picture, a picture that smacks you in the face, and you break the camera in the process. Fuck it. You got it.
When it's not your camera though.
Even better. They were saying, The car that drives the fastest is not a Lamborghini, it's not a Bugatti, it's a rental car.
You want to take one?
No, it's fine.
You can see it on the 28mm.
24.
So it's a bit different. But
Basically, what I tried to do is jump from here to there, and I slipped.
and I think is your shoes boots? It's not really boots. I think it's like a what's it called? Sneakers. So it's good.
Bruh, we were just talking. What the fuck?
Bruh, today is not a day. Okay, that's an easy fix though. You gotta fix that easily.
Bro, I bought these ones for 15 euros 2 years ago.
Okay,
Buy
now
new
you
one.
can't complain. Now you can't complain. That's why before I never understood the point of boots. Now I go out a lot. I'm like, yeah, boots. You need a pair of good boots.
Wait, stay there. Stay there. Nice. Bro, that's sick. Bro, this shit in low light is so good.
You have a flashlight?
Yes,
Yeah, we're gonna need it.
perfect.
Because I haven't gone inside yet.
All this.
Yeah. Ah. Over there. Yeah.
Also, I didn't know, guys, you have iPhones, so I brought a power bank with Type-C also,
Sure.
in case of anything.
Bravo.
Bravo, bravo.
Perfect. And then we'll get a shot of here. Last time I came, my friend says it smells like weed here. Do you smell weed?
Not really.
Yeah. Maybe it's a mold.
Yeah. It tends to smell like that sometimes.
Oh.
Come on.
Whoa.
Just press it once and press it again.
There we go. Holy.
Where do you think I got it from?
Timu.
Actually, yeah, Timu.
Holy.
Welcome to Backrooms.
Backrooms. Escape the backrooms. What the fuck is this? Someone took a shit!
Huh? Let me take a picture.
Yo!
That was me.
Okay, I'm gonna take a picture too. This is epic.
I have to shoot.
I'll leave you the lights.
Yeah.
Just don't dirty it, bro.
No! Law! Are you actually gonna?
Okay.
He finished.
Yeah,
He was quick. Probably this is the new Squid Game map.
Oi. It's really quiet here. Like the sound isolation is very good. How deep is it? Oh,
This is crazy.
It's locked here. Oh, wait.
I think it goes down.
wait a second. You see the sign? What does it say? Smiling face. What is smiling face supposed to be?
If you want, I can hold the light for you also to take pictures.
It's okay. Because I can just. One.
Yeah, it goes down. This is not. This is no brainer.
It's deep.
Holy. Okay, I want to see how deep this is. Do you have a rock? Can we get a rock?
Oh shit! And that's
water.
and that's water. Imagine how deep it can hold.
I think it's 10 meters because it's around a second. Jesus.
Air is getting heavier.
Oh yeah, it is. It is.
I remember something I have with me,
What?
but I think I will scare all the bats.
What do you mean? What do you have?
You know the death whistle?
Oh, yo.
Should I?
Nah, bro. You're gonna scare me. Not the bats. He has,
I think I should have not said anything and used it when I was in a dark place.
I'm leaving you here. This is minerals, I think. Or some kind of a rock. Huh.
Oh, bro, the light here.
What's there? Oh, done.
Can I see?
Should we take it with us?
Yeah.
Why not?
Take it.
Why not? I think that's the end of it.
Oh,
This is the end of it. Do you see a light source back there?
yeah.
What the fuck? I think that's the exit though. 看见吗？
Huh?
看出口。Because, you know, someone built some support structure.
Mm-hmm.
You have sex here. It's so quiet, no one will ever hear.
Bro, what the fuck? He's so isolated.
What was that?
Shh, don't say anything.
Wait, this is concrete. Someone. Oh, someone built this. Someone built this.
The fuck? How did it sound?
Sounds scary. Scary enough.
It can go even higher.
Where did you buy that, by the way?
Timo,
What is in here?
doesn't look like much.
Yeah. We could go in though.
Yeah.
We could.
You going in? I don't know how safe this is. What?
Keep the light at the other opposite direction.
That shit was fun. We go home and we start to get sick one after one. And we're getting some deep shit. That's when you know you fucked up big time. What the hell is this thing above?